Chris, this is the end that's going to be the bottom, even though it's a dirty end. That's where it'll stand up, so that's just in case I want to stand it. I don't know. Oh, I got coffee while I was in there too. Coffee. Yeah, coffee cup. My coffee cup. Somebody said in the chat about how big my coffee cup was, and it's how big it is. It's coffee, just a coffee cup. Ain't no bigger than any other coffee cup I got. Plus all my coffee cups are like that, so, you know. Alright, got a pencil here. Spiffy coffee cup. But I got thinking, get in my head just a little bit, and you know what? It could be something totally different. Could be that there's some kind of thing, you know, some kind of Zen connection with the size of your coffee cup and how good you can carve. So I'm thinking, maybe I better practice drinking coffee out of a smaller cup. So even though I'm not cutting today, I'm practicing. What I'm practicing? Well, give me a second here. Let me put this camera on a tripod so that I can demonstrate. It's pretty cool having it in your backyard. I mean, I gotta admit, that's pretty cool. Anyway, we'll be right back. So this is the deal. Maybe it's some Zen coffee cup thing or something going on here. I have no idea. So I figure I should practice. So today, instead of cutting on wood, I'm going to practice drinking out of a smaller cup for my coffee. So here we go, Jordy. I got one of your special cups right here. This is a Jordy official. What do you think? I'll tell you what, it looks a little weird. I wonder if my table's not level or something. Maybe we can get me some of this here. Oh, yeah. Oh. I need a lot of practice, Jordy. I'm going to work on it.
Hi, dear.
Can I get 3 extra large double doubles, please?
Okay. Anything else for you?
Nope, that's good, thank you. Okay, so when I was done carving that tree, it's the same day today, what is it today? Wednesday. My buddy Stu, like he goes along the river looking for agates and special rocks and stuff like that. He found a cottonwood tree along the side of the river with some big bark on it. He already brought me in his truck, half a truckload full, but we're going back out there now and it's getting dark. So I'll show you guys, it's about a 2-hour drive from where I live. So I'll show you the, look at the mountains, guys. British Columbia, Canada. I'll show you, it's just outside of Chilliwack. Where's Stu, in Agassiz?
Yeah.
In Agassiz. I'll show you the tree when we get there. How can you say no to free wood, guys? You can't. Almost there. Bed here, whatever it is. this shit. Oh yeah, perfect. Look at this, guys, just lying here. Like I said in one of my other videos, it's like a dream. There's the Fraser River right there. All that bark, guys. It's crazy. Oh, this side's loaded too.
Yeah, lots of years. That's what I mean. Like, look at this side decent, right? Like, once they're broken up.
Like, how can you say no to this?
That's why I wanted to bring out here, right?
Yep,
Easy picking.
absolutely. It just fell right off the tree. Okay, I'm gonna help Stu here load this bark.
Look at that one.
Turn it on its side there, Stu. Yeah, massive, man. Okay. Stu, see if you can get this big sucker. Oh no, it's got bug marks in it. Is that fucker fly off? Oh yeah. Yeah, okay. Yep. Holy shit, look at it all. Okay. Back of the truck's full. Free wood's the best wood. See, look at the size of this piece, guys. Free. Back of the truck's full. Basically cleaned up the back. Thanks, Stu.
You're welcome.
And look at that sunset over there. BC Rail going over there. How beautiful that is. Better snap a picture of that. Okay, so now I gotta go home and drop all this, load it back into my truck and drop it off my carving station. Because still needs to be cleaned. But guess who's gonna be selling cottonwood bark? Hey, Evil Rick. It's 7 at night. I'm tired. I need a bigger coffee cup because this coffee cup's not big enough. Oh, I got all that cottonwood bark. So we'll zoom in. Look at all this stuff in the back of Stu's truck. I gotta load this stuff into my truck now. Then I gotta unload all the stuff at my carving station. Bigger coffee, Evil Rick, bigger coffee. Lee. Yo. Okay, so I'm just too tired to unload all this bark tonight. So you guys can see the size of it. That's not a very good piece. Some of it has bug holes in it. But look at the size of it. Let's see, let's find another one. So what I gotta do is just take all this over to my carving station. I'm gonna drop it off tomorrow morning before I go to the island, and then I run this along my bandsaw to get rid of all this stuff because this stuff's a mess. when you're carving. So that's about it for me today. I'm absolutely tired, and look at all that bark for free, guys. I got it so I'll be able to have some giveaways here and there. I don't know, maybe even sell some. I still got this much out back in my shed too. So it's my favorite wood to carve, guys. It's soft. It's carving like butter, hot knife and butter. Anyways, I'll shut up now and hope everybody's good. Bye.